Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Past, present, or future. If you learn how to use the right tense for the right story, you can become a verbal time traveler. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D, and this is my English language learning YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I would like to welcome you to the show. If this is not your first time watching one of my videos and you aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that red button to show some love. In this series, I will be talking about verb tense and how we use it. Stay tuned to see more videos about present and future tense. We use past tense to say that something has already happened. This is useful when we are telling stories or when describing things that we have done or seen. Within past tense, we have 4 different types. They are past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Quite a mouthful, right? The past simple tense is used when describing a single action from the past. The time it happened is either already given or is understood from the context. Examples include, I jogged yesterday. I ate a sandwich for lunch. I went to the mall in the morning. Our next type is the past continuous tense. We use this type of past tense when we are trying to say that something was busy happening at a specific time in the past. Examples of this include, I was watching a movie when my mother called. We were in the park when it started raining. What were we doing when the power went out? Our third type of past tense is called the past perfect tense. We use this type of past tense when referring to something that happened before a specific time or event in the past. A hint for identifying past perfect tense is the use of had or hadn't. Some examples of this are, we had eaten before going to the mall. I had done my homework before going out with my friends. The teacher had us read a chapter before break time. Our final type of past tense is the past perfect continuous tense. This tense is really just a combination of past continuous tense and past perfect tense. We use it to say that something was busy happening before or until another action or time in the past. A hint for identifying this type of past tense is the use of had been or hadn't been in the sentence. Some examples are, I had been teaching at the school for 5 years before I moved to a new city. We had been waiting for 40 minutes before her friend arrived. How long had she been waiting before her friend arrived? So now that you've taken your first step towards mastering the art of verbal time travel, why not like the video and leave a comment to tell me what you learned, or ask a question? I publish new videos every week, so be sure to check in regularly for more English lessons. See you again next time!